Hi, my name is Sonya, and I've been coming to Willow Glen Dental for about 1 year now. So I finally decided to break down and get Invisaligns because my dentist was telling me that my smile was gonna finally not be where it needed to be because of a tooth that I was having in the front. And after so many years, I needed to definitely get it done. And I finally walked through the doors and fell in love with the staff. They all sat down and it just felt like more like a family here, not like a dentist office. They were very upfront about the number of trays. So I got a number of trays and there were no complications. I got exactly what I needed, and here we are today, completed in less than 7 months. And I'm very, very happy with him holding my hand through this whole process. My selfies have now gone from no smiles to multiple smiles in my selfies at Disneyland.